Hey guys, please take a peek here at a beautiful new arrival at Car City Inc. in Palatine. Super nice looking, extra clean and very well maintained. Beautiful 2012 Mercedes-Benz GL450 4MATIC, all-wheel drive, 102,000 miles. Beautiful, super nice looking body in great shape. Very nice color combination, white exterior over beige leather interior. Body looks very nice, in great shape. Lots of service records. It's got clean CARFAX report, never been into the accident. Beautiful body, runs great. It's got running boards, tinted windows, roof rack. Very nice, in great shape, all matching Firestone tires, xenon headlights, fog lamps, beautiful running boards. Let's take a peek inside. We have power windows, power locks, power mirrors, beautiful factory wood trim, power lift gate, cruise control, power memory seats, leather interior in great shape, nice and clean, power seats and heated seats, extra keys, Bluetooth, no warning lights on the dashboard. It's got 102,000 miles. Nice and clean dash with no issues, no problems. We have navigation, rear view camera, automatic climate control, heated seats as I said, automatic transmission of course, extra keys, non-smoking, no odors inside, super nice and clean unit inside and out, very well kept and maintained. It's got two sunroofs, one in front, one in the back. By the third row seating, a clean headliner, non-smoking, as I said, no odors inside. It's been detailed and inspected. There is a front row ready unit. It drives great. Here's the middle row, and of course we got the third row seating. Your floor mats in the trunk, nice and clean inside and out. Beautiful shape, as I said, two sunroofs, power lift gate. If you guys have any questions or would like to schedule time to test drive this beautiful, super nice and clean Mercedes-Benz GL450 4MATIC all-wheel drive, please give us a call, 847-496-4250. Check our website carcitychicago.com for more information, pictures, video, and a free CARFAX report. Look at this beautiful body. It's in a great shape, very nice running boards, nice and clean alloy wheels, they are free of scuffs. Look at this beautiful Firestone tires, all matching, all around. Let me just open the hood. I'd like you guys to look at this beautiful vehicle under the hood. V8, super nice and clean under the hood as well. Very well kept and maintained with a clean CARFAX. Lots of service records. Front row ready. Beautiful 2012 Mercedes-Benz GL450. Lots of space. It is fully loaded, ready to enjoy summer trips with your family. So if you guys have any questions, please call us 847-496-4250. Again, our website carcitychicago.com for more information, pictures, video, and a free CARFAX report. Please visit our store. We're located at 2232 North Rand Road in Palatine, Illinois. You can do credit application online. Financing is available. Any questions, please let us know. Thank you so much for watching this video. You guys have a great day.